with the pen, concentrate, write. RFA number 1341 of 2016, Subek Singh and others versus State of Haryana and others, an application for additional evidence by way placing on record judgment passed by this court in RFA number 9626 of 2014, Hanuman Singh versus State of Haryana and others bracket annexure A1 decided on 22/9/2015 has been filed, whereby compensation had been enhanced to rupees 50 lakh per acre, which was upheld by the Supreme Court YD order dated 29/7/2016, passed in SLP bracket civil number 13677-13693 of 2016, Dholuram etc. versus State of Haryana and others bracket annexure A2 regarding the notification dated 12/2/2008 stop. The said award was not relied upon and the market value granted in the said case was not taken into consideration by the reference court on the ground that it was not similar and was for the bypass road adjacent to the sectors 4, 5, 5 part and 7A part Fatehbad stop. The land of the said award was situated on the GT Road bracket NH10 near Powerhouse and residential colony surrounded by mini secretariat residences of Deputy Commissioner Superintendent of Police, Sessions House, commercial property and new vegetable market etc. Stop. Similarly, award dated 22/1/2015 bracket Exhibit P19 pertaining to notification dated 6/8/2013 Kwa Village Baddopal, which was under the National Highway Act 1956, whereby land had been acquired at the rate of rupees 52 lakhs per acre for Nehri/Chahi, rupees 69,25,000 per acre for Gair Mumkin residential and rupees 1 crore 40 lakh per acre for Gair Mumkin commercial was not relied upon. Stop. The ground given was that it was post 3 years from the notification in question and that it was being acquired for building bracket widening oblique four laning etc bracket close maintenance management and operation of national highway NH10 on stretch of the land from Hisar Dabwali section of NH10, though it was noticed that in the present case part of the acquired land was situated in village Baddopal, but there was considerable distance from national highway bracket NH10 stop. The sale exemplars which were produced were not of the same village except Exhibit P9, which was dated 25/10/2012 for the land measuring 28 canals of Gorakhpur, whereby land had been sold at the rate of rupees 37 lakhs per acre, was also thus discarded, being post notification stopped. The other sale exemplars were of other villages and therefore they were not considered helpful for determination of the market value. Stop. It was noticed that the land of village Matana was close to National Highway 10 and the same was purchased by colonizers for development of a colony adjacent to Fatehbad city. Stop. The sale exemplar was for the land measuring 3 marla pertaining of Kumharia and being of a different village and also keeping in view the fact that the acquisition was of around 1500 acres of land, the said sale deed was also not taken into consideration by relying upon various citations. Stop. It was noticed that in the site plan it was not easy to locate and compare the sale instances as the same was prepared without assistance of any revenue official. Stop. The sale deed was also for only 3 marlas of land. Stop.